just thought I'd take you on a short walk alongside a country hedge. This is a hawthorn hedge. It was planted many years ago, and year after year it's given nesting sites to birds, food in the shape of these, I don't know if you can see them, but food in the shape of these hawthorn berries. It gives shelter in winter. This is for the bird. This is alongside providing a break between fields. It's grown to a nice height to provide shelter. In among the hawthorn, there's different other kinds of hedges. They all mingle in together, and very important to wildlife. I don't think I'd make a very good television narrator, do you? Good job this is just me.